Okay, I have been talking a lot about how you can use Canva's new features to create YouTube shorts, reels, and stories, and TikTok videos, and so much more. But I want to dive in deeper to help you to be able to utilize this platform in a way that can allow you to use B-roll, to use your actual voiceover, and so much more. So I broke this into two parts. In part one, I honed in on how you can make reels and TikTok videos just using text and music, and how Canva can put this all together and create this quickly for you. And you can use things like B-roll, or you can use footage from your own actual video. Now, if you haven't checked that out, I highly recommend you do. You can find that in the link below or right here. Hey there, coaches and creators, Brittany here, and welcome to the Template Society channel, where we help coaches and creators to create content strategy and content marketing with ease using templates. Now, before we dive into today's topic, I want you to check out a special content calendar that I have for you. You can find it below, where you can be able to create your content strategy, what you're going to post, and make a game plan on what is needed to actually execute your content that you're sharing on social media. And the great part is it's free. So go ahead and check it out in the description below. Okay, now let's talk about part two, where we're going to dive into creating an actual story, reel, video for YouTube shorts or TikTok videos, where it includes your actual video footage and even some B-roll mixed into it without having to sit and use some of these different video editors, where you can do this all in Canva. Now, if you aren't currently on Canva, I highly recommend that you check out Canva Pro. This is going to be really helpful in your content creation journey to make sure that you are able to use all of the amazing features that they have that can help you to be able to execute your content creation. Okay, let's go ahead and dive right in. So we're going to just go to create a design. We're going to type in reel, and we're going to go to Instagram reel. And again, you can use this on YouTube, TikTok, and other platforms. So it's not just Instagram, but I just want to be able to show you. So you're going to type in Instagram reel to get the proper sizing. Okay, so now that we have that, we're going to upload our video. I already have a video uploaded, so I'm going to go ahead and grab those videos. Let's just grab this one.
Good morning, friends. I'm so excited to share all about Canva's new update.
Okay, so now that I have my preferred video, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to extract the audio. So I'm going to kind of right click this. And what I'm going to do now is go to where it says extract audio. I'm going to click that. Now the audio is disconnected from my video. And now what I can do is to bring in that B-roll that I'm looking to do, I am going to click on the actual video that I'm looking to kind of chop up, where I am not necessarily using all of that video. I'm using some B-roll in between. I am going to click on split page. When I click on split page, now I can go and grab that B-roll that I'm looking to add in. So I'm talking all about Canva. So what I can do is I can grab either the B-roll that I have already uploaded, or I can go to elements and let's just say Canva video. So I'm going to Canva video, I'm looking for videos. So currently Canva has a few videos that I can work with. I am going to drag this in, and I'm also going to drag another video in, so this can be really entertaining as people are going through this particular video. I can also add some text to this to make this more appealing. So again, it will have more of a, just more to follow along with and keep people's attention. So what I'll do is I'm going to go ahead and add some text. Let's go ahead and hit text, and let's go ahead and just grab anything that we want. So we can start with something over here, or you can just type the T button, which I just did. And I am going to make this larger. We're going to make it about 50. And again, we're going to make it into our brand text. And I'm going to just type in, we're talking all about Canva. Okay, now that I have my text, I'm going to go to effects. I'm going to add a background. I am going to change that background to fit more with my brand. And I am going to also bring this in to where it's a little bit tighter. Here we go. And I can also play around if I want the text to be a different color. I'm going to grab one of my brand colors. There we go. So here is, we're talking all about how you can use Canva to quickly create shorts, reels, and TikTok videos. So this is what I'm going to start off with. And then it's going to go into my B-roll, which I can also add text to that too. I can also add some emojis. So let's add an emoji. So I'm going to use the emoji app real fast. I'm going to hit open, and we're going to grab an emoji, and we're going to put it right here. Again, our goal is just to make this a little entertaining. So that's what we're doing. Okay. And we can also add some animation to this. So we can make it have more effects. So I'm going to go ahead and hit animate, and we are going to go ahead and plug in pan. And this is going to be on enter and exit. Okay, so cool. Now let's go ahead and look at this video. Actually, we need to make sure that we do a beat sync before we do that, just so we can make sure that the audio is in alignment with our video. So let's do beat sync real fast, turn that on. It's connecting for us. And then once it's done connecting, we can now listen to our video, see how it sounds, and make sure it's on point. Okay, so now let's take a peek at what this looks like.
Good morning, friends. I'm so excited to share all about Canva's new updates. They have been doing some amazing things to make content creation so much easier. So I'm going to be sharing with you how you can create reels, stories, TikToks, all that great stuff, all in one platform, and you can do it quickly.
Okay, so there you have it. You are able to create videos, and once you have it to your liking, you might need to still play around with the sound to make sure it's on point and the beat sync up is properly correct. Then you will go to share and you will download this as an MP4. Then you can share it to your preferred platforms. Wow, I can't believe all of the amazing things that Canva can do when it comes to creating your videos, whether they're video shorts, reels, TikTok, all of that great stuff. This is truly a game changer to help make your actual content creation so much easier and faster. Okay, don't forget to check out part 1, where I share more about how you can create video footage with your actual B-roll and also just text and music. You can find that in the link below. And don't forget to check out that content calendar that I mentioned earlier, where you can be able to plan accordingly for your content posts, and you're not just starting from scratch. Thanks so much for tuning in to today's episode. If you're hungry for more and want to learn more insights to help you with your content creation process, definitely check out this video right here so that you can be able to execute a content strategy that works effectively, allows you to engage, and generate more sales.